Hello students, today we discuss about the continuation of evolution, that is a few more related to missing links. Suppose which is the missing link between fishes as well as amphibians, Ichthyostega. Between fishes as well as amphibians and all. What is the missing link between amphibians as well as reptiles and all? Cymoria. Then, what is the ancestors of these mammals and all? That is related to Balanosaurus, which is the missing link between aquatic organism as well as terrestrial ancestors and all. Then related to this particular, which is the missing link between reptiles as well as mammals and all, that is Lycaenaps. Lycaenaps is the missing link between reptiles as well as mammals and all. So, few more related to missing links and all. Already we studied about some of the missing links relate like Archaeopteryx like this, the continuation of this one. Then apart from this one, what is done by atavism? So, some ancestral characteristic features, that means a reappearance of ancestral characteristic features at the present generation of the organisms. That is we called as atavism. For example, the formation of tail in human being as well as a movement of the external ears, ear pinna, there is also ancestral characteristic features and all. Then apart from this one, if you observe related to plants and all, the wing petiole present in citrus and all. So these are the atavism characteristic features of either some plants as well as animals related to human being and all. That is, then the next related to topic, subtopic in evolution, that is in 6.5, biological evolution. Name itself represent what is by biological evolution. So on earth, whenever origination of the earth, the first life form, there is a cellular form and all. So cellular form to tissue, tissue to organ system, like that the simple to complex. Apart from this one, in that biological evolution, the variations, the new forms, that is, it depends upon in its life cycle or in its life span and all. That is most important and all. In that biological evolution, then it is appearance of new form, that means a rate of appearance of new forms linked, related to in its lifespan and all. But this biological evolution, it depends upon related to natural selection. Majorly, natural selection helps that biological evolution of the organisms and all. In this one, it depends upon in its lifespan and all. For example, if you took that particular bacteria, if you took it bacteria in different culture media, some of the bacteria, if you kept one culture media, then it multiply randomly, it multiply very fastly. So several millions of bacteria, it multiply within short span. Because of that bacteria lifespan, it becomes very less and all. When you compare to higher organisms and all. Related to if it is fishes as well as any fowl, as well as any higher organism, the lifespan related to several years. It takes place several million years, the evolution of the new forms and all. But evolution of new forms in bacteria, suppose set A as well as set B, two different medias, two different culture medias, if you kept at the bacteria, one among the culture media, in this one, new variations, but related to less number of new variations are formed and all. Then set B in another media, that means depends upon the nature, depends upon the habitat. Here, more variable, more variations, it must be appearance and all, because of in its natural selection, that means fitness of the particular organism. But here, what you remember, the variation, that means the new formation of organisms, it takes place within less period of time. For example, bacteria, within days, new formation of organisms. When you compare to the higher organisms, like fowl, like fish, like any human being, like any other organism, it takes place several million years, because of in its lifespan, it takes place several years and all. Its lifespan several minutes to hours. That's why it takes place a few days, new forms are formed and all. That is depends upon natural selection. That means fitness of the organism. That means related to Darwinism, survival of the fitness, because of whomever fit in a proper manner, that organism, it evaluated in a proper. It must evaluated related to slowly. It automatically evaluated and all. That is related to fitness of the organism. That is important and all. Then apart from this one, apart from this particular fitness and all, then adaptive ability. This adaptive ability, whomever adapt according to environmental condition, that particular organisms only, it will transfer from generation to another generation. That is adaptive ability of organisms only to transfer. That means it must inheritable, it must heritable, it must heritable, then from one generation to another generation. So according to Darwin theory, main two things can explain it and all. That is natural, then so these two are important. Natural selection as well as branching descent and all. In that branching descent, that is a convergent evolution, one among these adaptive radiation and all. That means both placental mammal as well as related to that normal mammal, marsupial mammals and all. Already in last class we discussed about placental mammals as well as marsupial mammals, or that marsupial related to Australian mammals and all. Whatever that conversion, that the specific evolution, the specific common function and all, that is related to branching descent and all. Then what is this natural selection? That stabilization of the population as well as directional population as well as disruptive of this one, that represent this natural selection and all. Apart from this one, there also they give related to this biological evolution in Lamarck. In Lamarck theory, already we discussed about this Lamarck, that means use and disuse. So once whatever the organ, that particular use continuously, constantly, automatically, it must be inherited from that generation to next generation and all. So that it takes place several million years, not immediate and all. Unlike bacteria, that is use and disuse. Apart from this one, Malthus, related to population. So, according to Malthus, the population always become constant. Why it become constant? Because of that particular competition among the same species and all. Theoretically, it becomes maximum exponential population at any type of population, the human population, dog population, cat population, or any other plant population and all. But this, it becomes constant. When it becomes constant, without any mutational changes, without any exponential, without any that particular fluctuation in that geographical area. So, without specific fluctuation, without any fluctuation, that particular species, that particular population, it becomes constant and all. That is, when it becomes evolution takes place, when it becomes the particular changes of the organisms, whenever fluctuations, whether it is physical, whether it is biological, whether it is chemical, whether it is habitat, habitual, at any type of randomly, then it automatically takes place that particular constancy of that population, it becomes changes on that. So, next related to subtopic, we discuss about mechanism of evolution. In this mechanism of evolution, what is the specific mechanism? It helps for evolution of the species, new formation of the organisms and all. Here, mainly the origin of speciation as well as how the variations takes place and all. Here, variations. That means origin of variations, how variable characteristic features are normally present in that particular population and all. Then related to what is meant by how one can obtain that speciation and all. How it is obtained to the speciation? Even though very simple subtopic, it is most important in exam point of view. What is the main characteristic features related to Darwin? Especially for biological evolution, there is a branching descent, natural selection, only two, enough. Then related to in mechanism, related to world and all. What is it by that modern mechanism of the evolution? There is a neo-Darwinism, modern mechanism. That means neo-Darwinism. According to neo-Darwinism, that Dobzhansky, what are the name of these scientists are this one? Dobzhansky scientist, apart from this one, Stebbins, and this as well as Mayer, that particular scientist, then C. Walray. So, these scientists related to that particular modern mechanism of the evolution, that means neo-Darwinism. Neo-Darwinism, that particular theory. Then, according to this neo-Darwinism, then they must explain about how origin of variations. What is the main variations according to Hugo Dewey's theory? The variation takes place through mutation and all. So according to Hugo Dewey's, the variations takes place through mutation. What is the mutation? Sudden change in genetic material. Whenever sudden change. So this Hugo Dewey's mutational change, then only it automatically takes place in that evolutionary change of that particular population and all. But it is non-directionless, but randomly takes place. That is most important. Even in 2019 also they asked, according to Hugo de Vries, how variations are takes place. It is random, directionless, as well as random, particular direction, as well as different options they give under. According to this one, random, directionless. The mutations which takes place randomly as well as directionless, it takes place in God. Then these mutations, it takes place single, the large mutation. That means at once all these mutation, it takes place at a single step large mutation. That is regarded as saltation. Saltation means single step large mutation. That means at once all these changes takes place and are related to. But whereas according to this one, the variations takes place through mutational based on that particular Hugo de Vries and all. Then what is another theory and related to Darwin? Actually, Mendel explained about the particular factors under, but Darwin did not explain related to this one, but he must explain related to how that the changes, variations are takes place and related to Darwin, that particular variations are that is very slowly as well as according to direction. Variations are the particular directional, but it takes place very slowly. It takes place one particular direction and the evolution and that variation takes place little bit slowly, not suddenly, unlike Hugo de Vries and all. There is only whatever he said that little bit oppositely you must. But it is the one particular type of the process. Evolution, it takes place one particular process, one rhythmic process, one slow process, not sudden, immediate and all. But even though Hugo de Vries, certain changes, whatever variations, compulsory, it must be transferable, it must be heritable, it must be transferred from one generation to another generation and all. Then related to what is meant by speciation. Speciation means splitting of one particular species divided into two to more a new species and all. So splitting of one species into 2 to 3 variable species and all. That is we call as speciation. That means formation of a new species and all. With the help of one species, it develops and it forms a new formation of the species and all. That is we call as speciation and all. So this speciation, how the speciation takes place and all. So what are the particular factors required that related to speciation and all? This speciation, how speciation takes place? Normally speciation takes place, that is allopatric. Either allopatric speciation as well as sympatric speciation, as well as parapatric and quantum speciation. Like this, these 4 different methods for formation of speciation and all. What is meant by allopatric speciation? Allopatric speciation means a given a population, isolation from geographically. So one particular group of population are there. Among the group of population, to separate, to isolate from geographically, from their parental population. So isolation of the population. Isolation of population from given one particular area of group of population and all. Then in that isolated particular organism, particular number of species and all, according to their environmental condition, a new variety, a new generation, a new formation of the species are found and all. Similarly, sympatric speciation, sympatric in the sense geographical areas. So among the population, in between geographical area are formed and all. So separation of between population, separation of geographical area, then it forms a sympatric speciation and all. Because of, again it will be changed and because of changing according to environmental characteristic feature, according to the habitat and culture and then again new formation of species are formed and all. Then parapatric speciation, that means entering of new species, entering of new niche and all. That entering of a new niche or entering of a new species among one particular population is there. In that population, a new organisms, a new population, a new species enter in that particular habitat and all. With the help of that particular new niche or new habitat and automatically it is also changes remaining organism. It is also changes, it may be chance to formation of new speciation and all. That is, then quantum, it is one type of abrupt speciation and all. It is abrupt speciation. Why it is abrupt speciation? Because of according to Grant scientist, he explained about the particular quantum speciation. That means that the species isolation, that parallel population in a given that a particular ancient species and all. It is related to ancient species and all. So species isolation, that a parallel population in a given parallel population, in that one ancient species related to its ancient species. Based on that particular criteria, based on that particular characteristic feature, new species are formed. Then according to Grant, in that said and then according to Carson scientist, he explained about related to, that means that parallel population, that segregation and separation from ancient population, parallel population are here. But according to Carson, he observed related to Drosophila. In that Drosophila, he observed related to that quantum speciation and all. Then in this one, he observed that a different new formation of species in that particular one, in that Drosophila organisms, specifically identified that particular scientist related to Carson, that scientist and all. So like that, speciation also takes place, the formation of new organisms and all. Then related to what is it by Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium and all. Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Next subtopic related to Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium principle and all. Hardy, from England scientist, then Weinberg from Germany. Both are stated in 1908. They stated that Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium principle and all. According to it reflected or it depends upon, it is also majorly depends upon that particular natural selection only. But more commonly, what combinedly they said, this equilibrium principle, according to them, that particular allelic frequency in a given population. Why? Because in a population, each and every population, one particular allele it is present and all. In that allelic frequency in a given population is standard as well as constant from generation to generation. That they stated and all. So allelic frequency in a given population is our standard as well as a constant from generation to generation. When it becomes constant, when it becomes stable, that allelic frequency and without changing, without genetical migration, without gene flow, without genetic drift, without recombination. So these particular factors, apart from these particular factors, influence and all. So that is important. What are the particular 5 factors influence that variations, that evolution, that changing of the constant particular given population and all. In this one, in this you must said about related to that particular aspects and all. What are these one? Mutation. Whenever there is no mutation, without any mutation as well as there is no gene flow or gene migration, then apart from this one, whenever genetical drift, there is no genetical drift and all, as well as no recombination. No recombination, apart from this one, as well as no natural selection. Among all these 5 factors, if all these 5 factors are not influenced or not takes place in a given population, that is whatever they said, allelic frequency in a given population, it is they are constant as well as stable from generation to generation. When they will be stable, when there will be constant, all these factors are applicable. All these factors are influenced. Suppose is there any mutation, sudden change? Already just now we said related to mutation, that theory Hugo de Vries one can explain about this one. They are automatically variation, new formation and all. Related to mutation, that scientists explained about that particular plant. What is the name of that plant? There is a Winothera lamarckiana. In that Winothera lamarckiana plant, he must be explained about that mutational changes and all. Whenever mutation, whenever change their genetic material, automatically new formation, they will be changed. They will be changed that particular stable, that particular constancy of that given population and all. So without mutation, they will be constant. With there is a mutation, they will be changing and all. That means there may be chance to formation of evolution of the species and all. Then gene flow, gene migration. Gene migration means either immigration as well as immigration. One population, some of the people, they must migrate into the another area. That another area people, they immigrate into this particular area. From one area to another area, they are frequently changing. Then automatically a new alleles are formed. A new frequency are, there may be chance to next generations and all. This also there may be possible. No gene flow, there will be constant. If there is a gene flow, there is a variable. There may be chance for that particular variable characteristic features of the organisms and all. Related to genetical drift. What is it by genetical drift and genetical drift? That means a frequently, constantly, maximum period of time that gene flow or gene migration. Gene migration in that sense, that particular individual, it must migrate from one area to another area. Continuously, constantly, it is migrated. There is also one among the characteristic features of genetical drift. It is also, there may be chance for another variation and all. That is, if there is no genetic drift, it is always, it must be constant and all. Similarly, recombination, already in crossing over, whenever that particular new or crossing over takes place, automatically new variations or evaluated species are originated and all. Similarly, natural selection according to habitat. Here also we said related to Drosophila, whenever inhabited area, in that whenever inhabited area, whenever they kept, automatically variations are takes place. Here also, whenever natural selection, whenever that habitat places are changeable, automatically new species, there may be chance for formation and all. Automatically new species are formed because of it. If it is adaptive ability, automatically it must be transferable from parent to, from one generation to another generation and all. So this is important exam point of view. When according to Hardy-Weinberg principle, the given population becomes into the constant or stable and all, without any influence of these five, then it is a constant. Is there any one among the influence? There will be variable. There may be chance. That must be, it must be abrupt, or it must be changed, or formation of the evolution of the organisms and all. So for that purpose, they have taken particular two individuals and all. For example, they have taken two individuals, that is the P as well as Q. These are the two individual organisms they have taken. Each and every individual they consider as this one particular alleles and all. P individual has present A allele, as well as Q individual it is present small a alleles and all. So capital A allele related to dominant, small a related to recessive and all. These are alleles and all. So these particular, whenever homozygous alleles, then it is equivalent to that particular P square and all. Similarly, homozygous recessive, that is Q square. Then when it is heterozygous, it is formed under heterozygous, that is P as well as Q. These are heterozygous. Based on individuals, that specific alleles are present whenever the allelic frequency are changed. When the allelic frequency are changed, whenever mutation, whenever genetic drift, whenever that random mutation are related to natural selection, recombination, automatically the changing the frequency of alleles in a given population. So changing of frequency of allelic in a population, whenever all these, automatically it must change of frequency of allelic in that given population and all. In that one, this is when it becomes a constant according to their Hardy-Weinberg. Many times, many more times they ask and all. The allelic frequency always, that means in a given gene pool. What is the gene pool and all? A group of individual, all genetic material present in a given total population that represent as, we call as gene pool. All the gene pool, the allelic frequency always becomes constant, that is equivalent to 1 and all. That means all in gene pool, that means genetic material of given all the organisms, that is always the genetic frequency, the allelic frequency becomes constant without changing all these one. That means that is related to in binomial, that particular aspects and that is P square plus 2PQ plus Q square equal to 1. So very simple. P plus Q whole square, that means A plus B whole square. What is the formula of A plus B whole square? Similarly, that means P square plus 2PQ plus Q square equal to 1 and all. So this is 1 in a gene pool in a given population. It becomes that frequency of allelic frequency always becomes constant. without changing of these 5 factors and all. So frequently I said, be remember, be careful, even though very simple but very important. Many times in that evolution chapter, compulsory one bit they ask in Hardy-Weinberg principle and all. Based on this particular principle, they must be given one among these microbial, just now we said, related to one among the particular in a given particular equilibrium or one among the culture, two different cultures, one among the culture, if it is fitness according to environmental condition, new variations are takes place. Suppose if it is not survivable, it is not adaptable, then automatically it may not changes any that particular variations and all. Here also, based on these characteristic feature, for example, exam point of view also they must give and all. For example, q square, suppose q square equal to 0.16. Then you calculate what is the p value and all. If they give exam point of view, suppose q square equal to 0.16. I said 0.16, in exam point is 0.18 or 0.19 or 0.20, whatever it may be. For example, 0.16, the value of q square. Then what is the value of q and all? That q is equal to the root 0.16, that means 0.4, that is equal to, it is equivalent to the 40% and all. Similarly, what is that particular value of that particular? What is the p value and all? What is the p value? Suppose q value becomes 40%, vice versa, it is equivalent to 1. What is the rest of the percentage? Then it becomes as a 1 and all. Already 40% came. What is the rest of the percentage? That is the 60% and all. P value, that means 0.6 and all. That means p square. P square equal to, that means 0.36. P square is 0.36. That means it is equivalent to the 60%. It is equivalent to the 60%. What is it by 2 PQ value? That is 2 PQ value. That is 2 into 0.4 into 0.6. That means 0.48. That value becomes 0.48 value and all in the 2 PQ value and all. Or another way, if you write this one, 1 minus 0.52 is equal to 0.48. Or otherwise we call as, or one can write 1 minus 0.58 is equivalent to the 0.48 value and all. So like that, many times mathematically they ask related to Hardy-Weinberg principle. Any one among the value they must give either p value or q value, or instead of this one analytic value they have taken, or they will take any analytic value or capital A, capital or small a, or instead of capital A, small a, they represent exam point of view recessive allele here, which is represented as a recessive allele, small a represents recessive allele. Dominant allele is the capital A. Without mentioning capital A, small a, they may chance to give dominant allele frequency, recessive allele frequency. What is the total number of the given population? Like that too, many different types. Any one simple example, based on this one, you must calculate many different varieties and all. So, apart from this one, it is also influenced related to natural selection. Why? Because what are the natural selection? It is also influence on the natural selection. That means related to biological evolution. Whatever I said, that is the branching descent as well as natural selection. Similarly, Hardy-Weinberg also, it is also very close related, that stabilization as well as disruptive as well as directional, all also it is equivalent and all. Then in this one, how that particular stabilization and all. Before that one, just now we said related to speciation and all. What are the factors influence of the speciation? Speciation factors are either hybridization, either polyploidy, either natural selection, either isolation, that is as well as genetical drift. Like that, any one among these or all, it may influence of this one, speciation and all. Then stabilization of the population. Stabilization of the population, the given population stabilization. What is meant by stabilization? Here, in a given individual population, that is phenotypic, that is related to a species in that number of individual in its phenotypic characteristic features are now. In this axis, number of individual related to that phenotypic number. Number of individuals in a given population and all. That is number of individuals in its phenotypic characteristic features and all. So phenotypic characteristic features of the individuals are related to its frequency and all. They will give, there it is present and all. This is that mean. Related to mean, in this one, if you observe that 0 as well as 5 and 10 and 15, 20, 25 and all. So up to 10. Here related to 20 and all. This particular population, so among this one, middle line represented as this one, mean and all. This one among this one, that is a conserved population that related to conserved population. One among these male, another one is the female and all. This particular line related to eliminated. In a given particular population, in this one, most of the individuals, it must attain towards the mean. Most of the individuals, they come, they attract towards the mean side and all. Next, if we observe, it is also, that is 0, 5, 10, 15, that is 20, 25. Towards the mean. Whenever the population, if it attain towards the mean, that is maximum, peak stage and all, it is towards the peak stage of this one. That is we call as stabilized population and all. Then when it becomes as directional one, so the directional population, it other than mean concentration. Whenever other than mean, so other than mean, whenever the population, they must be directed other than mean, then that is we call as directional population. That is stabilizing, then directional and all. In this directional, in the same given population, elimination under, this is the mean. Then if it is changed towards another one direction and all, other than mean direction, here other than mean direction, 5, 10, 15, and 20, 25, 30. These are eliminated and all. In one direction it is present and all here. Here see, the mean value here 50, here 20 and all. This is very important. Here, it must move towards one direction other than mean direction. It must move towards one particular direction. That is, it represents as, we called as, that is a directional population. Directional. When it is called as disruptive, that means other than mean, that means peripheral. The movement of the organism, the movement of individual, it must move towards the peripheral direction. It is only one direction, that is we call as directional, towards the mean, towards the peak end, that is we call as stable. Whenever disruptive, that means we call as whenever peripheral, other than this one, then automatically it is called as disruptive population. That is we call as disruptive the frequency and all. That represent disruptive. That is, that disruptive frequency, if you observe, so in a given population, in this one, the middle of this one, that is related to eliminated. Normally, in the stabilized as well as directional, it must be present that a terminal, lateral part on it is present. But here, the middle part of the population, peripherally it must be moving. Then it is regarded as, then whenever moving, then eliminated, it is moving, there is two means are formed and all. In the frequency, related frequency and all. So here very important, very simple, very simply remember carefully, stable means all the particular organisms, it must be moved. Related to disruptive in that sense, the peripheral direction. So, other than mean under these given population, there must be changes, they must be moving related to peripheral direction. That means from middle, that organisms are eliminated, then automatically two peaks are formed and all. Two peaks are formed. In middle, that is the eliminated one. Whenever two peaks are formed, that is we called as disruptive population. Whenever only one direction, that is the directional one. Whenever all the population, it comes towards the one particular end, that represent we called as stable population. Stable population and all. So, all these, once or twice, you must remember carefully and even the very simple, many times they ask related to that biological evolution as well as mechanism. In that mechanism evolution, Hugo de Vries, mutational theory, what is the particular plants he explained about, Vainothera, Lamarckiana and related to what is meant by that particular speciation and in that speciation, what are the factors influence on the speciation? Once again, either polyploidy, either hybridization, either natural selection, or related to isolation, like that gene drift. All these particular factors influence of the speciation and all related to, according to Neo-Darwinism, that modern theory must be explained and all. So, that Hardy-Weinberg principle, when it becomes constant, when it becomes what are the important five factors influence in that particular Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium principle and all. What it said, that binomially, that is p square plus 2pq plus q square equal to 1. When changing the frequency early in a given population and all, whenever that particular five factors, any one among, automatically it must be changing and all. Until then, all the population in a given area, it becomes as a constant and all. Okay, remaining we discuss in next class.